Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best tonneau covers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Tyger Auto Tri-Fold Tonneau Truck Bed Cover. Tyger Auto's Tri-Fold Tonneau Bed Cover is a sleek-looking soft tonneau cover that is available for most mainstream modern-day pickup trucks. This tonneau cover is made of very sturdy dual-coated marine-grade vinyl. The low-profile design won't interfere with visibility, and makes a weather-tight seal that will protect your bed's contents from the elements outside. Each package will come with the pre-assembled tonneau cover, an LED bed light, weather seals, and the hardware needed for mounting the cover to your truck. Tyger's vinyl tonneau cover is easy to install and fits different truck beds very well with minimal overhang. The installation process uses clamps that require no drilling into your vehicle. Tyger also offers a limited lifetime warranty on its tonneau covers and accepts returns if you ordered it for the wrong truck by accident. Number 2. Our second best pick is Gator Recoil Retractable Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Looking to upgrade your current tonneau cover? A hard recoil model like this one from Gator is definitely worthy of consideration. Because it retracts, as opposed to rolling or folding like the other models on this list, you don't have to worry about it coming undone while you're on the road and exposing your gear. It also offers full bed access, so you can really maximize the space back there. And if all that wasn't enough, it's easy to assemble, takes less than half an hour to install and doesn't require the use of a drill. Carry various sized cargo with ease. This retractable cover provides custom locking capabilities, allowing you to securely stop and lock your cover along your truck bed. Installing the Gator Recoil retractable bed cover takes 30 minutes from box to truck bed. Simply clamp the rails onto the bed without any need for drilling or special tools. The Gator Recoil retractable truck bed cover is backed by a 2-year guarantee. Whether you're carrying construction equipment, golf clubs, dirt bikes or anything in between. Number 3. Our third best pick is Truxedo Truxport Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. Since 2000, Truxedo has led the industry with innovative truck bed covers that emphasize style, quality, durability and functionality. This soft roll-up tonneau cover is no exception. Crafted from hard-wearing black leather, it's designed to hold up to harsh weather and protect your gear. The cover sits 1.5 inches above the bed for a low-profile appearance that complements your truck's natural lines. It features dual paddle latches located at each side of the tailgate and a convenient cab buckle to keep the cover nice and secure. On top of that, the preset tension control system ensures the rolled-up cover does not flap or move even when traveling full tilt on a highway. The cover is very simple to operate and can be fully removed in seconds. Fully install this roll-up truck bed cover in under 30 minutes. Easily clamp the rails onto your truck bed, attach the cover, roll and go. No drilling or special tools necessary. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Undercover Flex Hard Folding Truck Bed Cover. The Undercover Flex Hard Folding Truck Bed Cover is called Undercover for a reason. With a low-profile design that easily integrates into your pickup bed, this hard tonneau will look as though it was installed on your truck from the factory. It's easily installed, requires no hole drilling of any sort, and folds in 3 different sections, giving you full access to your truck's bed when you need it. It also comes with built-in prop rods for keeping it tilted upward in the fully folded up position, when you are loading or unloading cargo from the bed. The cover can also be completely removed without the use of tools. Additionally, this tonneau allows you to drive around with 1, 2, or all 3 of the folding sections tilted upward. This may be useful if you are transporting large objects but don't want to have to completely remove the cover from your truck. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Extang's Solid Fold Hard Folding Tonneau Cover. This tri-folding solid tonneau cover comes fully assembled and at 50 pounds total with hardware, is relatively simple to install. It has lightweight hard polymer panels that make opening and closing the cover very easy, along with rubber corners for soft close operation and protective hinge caps. It claims to be the most water-resistant hard folding cover on the market, and will keep your belongings shielded from the elements outside. This USA-made cover is available for a wide variety of truck makes and models and is backed by a 3-year factory warranty. Some users say this cover is not as easy to install as some soft tonneau covers, as you have to align it properly to the bed of your truck. It also does not come with instructions for installation. Sturdy and durable hard folding construction, made in USA. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.